nothing changes.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today's Sunday, October 25th, 2020. One of the last times you'll see me record outside here by the pool because we officially sold the house. It took just 7 days and it's gone. So we'll be moving December 18th. I'll film videos for you guys all the way until then, and then we'll have a new location, a temporary one until our new house is done sometime in March, I believe. Okay, so with that said, I also wanted to let everybody know we did put out emails and messages from this weekend that we are looking to buy inventory, either us personally or a lot of our buyers need inventory that I can put it up on our Shopify wholesale site and liquidate for you. So if you have excess inventory or pallets or liquidations or boxes or even just piles of stuff that you want to sell, clothing, shoes, accessories, makeup, jewelry, toys, games, hard goods, anything, just let me know, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, shoot me an email, and I'll get you all the information you need to either sell it to us directly or to any of my buyers through the Shopify wholesale site. All right, now that we've covered that, let's talk about yesterday slash Friday's video from PayPal messing up the 1099s potentially. If you missed that video, I'll link it below. But I wanted to show you guys how to download your invoices from eBay to make sure, guarantee that your numbers that you're actually doing are correct for accounting purposes. So there is a way, whether you're on PayPal still or on Managed Payments, that you can download month to month to month your eBay sales totals with the name of the person, their address, their state, the total of the sale, the shipping, the sales tax, everything all at once through a CSV file to Excel. And you can do this every month. On the first of each month, you can download the previous month. That way you always have it. Now we know that eBay only goes back a certain amount of time, 90 days typically. Now there are invoices on your seller dashboard, which I'll also show you in a second. You should download those as well. And that way you have them. Just create a file on your computer, download the sales record and download the invoice, and then just save it right there in that file as January 2020, February 2020, March 2020, which I'll show you in a second. And then you will always have those records in the event that something goes wrong, or even better yet, when it comes tax time and you're ready to meet with an accountant or a CPA, you can have that file just sitting and ready, and you can hand it over to your CPA and say, here's everything I did on eBay, let's total it up, boom. Now, obviously, if you sell on other platforms, there's other ways to do it. Amazon and Posh have their own sales report downloads. I'm just gonna show you eBay right now because that seems to be where the issue was. Again, if you missed that video, it's below. And as always, you know, having backups and ways to see things is the absolute must. So let's jump over to my computer. I'll show you guys, and hopefully this helps you keep track of everything. Also, if you do get to the point of needing a CPA, we're almost at the end of the year. You need an accountant who is experienced with online e-commerce sales, eBay, Amazon, etc. Mark II from Not Your Dad's CPA is absolutely the best. He's not just a CPA who knows how to do taxes. He sells on Amazon and online e-commerce platforms, so he knows what he is doing. I'll link Mark's website as well. Again, everything you need is linked below. The last video and Mark's website. He has a tax seller academy for resellers with a discount code from me if you decide to use Mark as your CPA. CPAs don't work for free, but they are worth their weight in gold and their money. So if you do decide to use Mark's academy, then there's a discount, Rockstar, $50 off using him as your CPA. So I'll link all that below, but let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you how to get your invoices and how to make sure that your numbers are always on point. All right, so I brought you onto eBay's main page here, and right up here at the top where it says orders, you have a paid and shipped option. If you're not on the newer eBay page, then just make sure you are on Seller Hub. So once you click that, you just have an option right here. Last month, last week, this week, yesterday, today, 90 days. You just choose last month, wait till the first of the new month so that you can get the entire last month. And then you have filters to sort it by, but you don't have to do that. Just go down here and you can see every item. To the right, click download report. Now I've already done that, and I'm gonna show you exactly why I like this and why it works so well. So we open up the report. It goes to an Excel CSV file, and then you can see, now I've blacked this out because it's got people's information, but you can see a sales record number, an order number, a buyer username, buyer name, email, address, city, state. That's where I get my sales tax by state right there. Unfortunately, Florida's still not collected, or I wouldn't have to do that. If you're in a state that's already being collected and paid, then you probably don't have to worry about it. It also gives you the buyer's name, phone number. Again, I have all that blacked out. But if we scroll over, this would be for your accounting side. As we get all the way to the right, you can see the title and your SKU line and all that. You can see what it sold for. You can see shipping that you may have charged. You can see seller collected tax, eBay collected tax. That's important because you can see how much sales tax for each state or for your total. You can see all of your total prices. This is complete, everything included. Over here, you can see the dates and times and all that they sold, and you can see how you shipped it. It uploads tracking. All of this information to one sheet. There is absolutely no reason not to have this downloaded, just in case there's a problem like we saw on PayPal in that last video, or in the event of an audit down the road. If the IRS was like, well, that's great, looks like you sold 2,600 in October, show us, boom, there you go. You download this, you download all 12 of your reports. You could download even the invoices from eBay, and you have it right here. They can't really argue with this. This comes right from the platform. So every single month, make sure you download this. Hopefully you don't need it, but in the event that you do, or if you want to use it for sales tax like I do, then it's a great resource to have on your computer. It takes 2 minutes to do it once a month on the first day. Get last month's and you're all set. Because remember, eBay only goes back 90 days. After that 90 days, it's a whole lot harder to get it. All right, so thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed for other videos to help you keep track of this stuff. And if you have any other questions, leave them down in the comment section, and either I or somebody else watching will be happy to answer them. Thanks, guys, as always, and I'll see you next time.